Hello and welcome to the Google Classroom and Epic Live tutorial on best practices for student interactions in Epic Live Google Classrooms. Currently, in the stream, students have the ability to comment and post on any assignments or any discussion boards. The Epic Live team has determined that best practice is to go ahead and turn that off. So this tutorial is going to show you how to reset the stream so that students cannot post or comment on assignments or discussions. So the first thing that you'll want to do is go to your or your Epic Live Google Classroom from the main page. Just click and you're there. Next, you're going to want to go up to the gear wheel up near the top, and that will open up your settings, and then scroll down to General, and you can see here is the stream. Right now it's currently set at students can post and comment, and best practice is for only teachers can post or comment. You also have the ability to turn on students can only comment, but for Epic Live Google Classrooms, it's been deemed that only teachers can post or comment is your best practice. So once you click on that, you can click Save, and then you're all set to get started in your Google Classroom for Epic Live. Thanks and have a great day.